friends, today we are going to explain about floating egg experiment.
Have you ever wondered why some objects float in the water and others sink?
If an object is less dense than the water around it, it will float. Gently drop the egg into the glass of water.
It sinks right to the bottom of the glass.
Add 5 tablespoons of salt to the water and stir. Drop the egg into the salt water. Now egg floats on the water. The first egg sinks to the bottom of the glass of tap water. This is because raw egg has a greater density than regular tap water. When you add salt to the water, it will increase the density of the water. This is the reason why the egg is floating on the other glass.